Welcome back to iQuiz channel. Are you ready to challenge your general knowledge about fruits? Before we get started, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Let's go. What is the most widely consumed fruit in the world? Which fruit is known for its high vitamin C content? What fruit is known as the king of fruits? Which fruit is not typically eaten raw due to its tartness but is commonly used in cooking and baking? What fruit is famously associated with a forbidden temptation in the Bible? Which fruit is also called a wolf peach and was once believed to be poisonous? What fruit is often used to make guacamole? What is the national fruit of India? Which fruit is the main ingredient in the traditional Middle Eastern dish tabbouleh? What fruit is used to make the alcoholic beverage cider? Which fruit is famously associated with the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Which one is used to make the Italian dessert tiramisu? Which fruit is often referred to as a stone fruit? Which one is the main ingredient in the traditional Thanksgiving dessert, pumpkin pie? Which fruit is known for its ability to act as a natural meat tenderizer due to its enzyme content? What fruit is used to make the popular Italian appetizer, bruschetta? Which fruit is often used in traditional Greek cuisine and is a common topping for yogurt? What fruit is used to make the Mexican dish salsa? Which fruit is commonly used to make the traditional British dessert, crumble? What fruit is known for its spiky exterior and sweet, white flesh? Which fruit is known for its distinctive shape, with a curve at one end? What fruit is used to make the traditional Caribbean dish, ackee and saltfish? Which fruit is often used to make the traditional Middle Eastern dip, baba ganoush? What fruit is used to make the popular Vietnamese dessert, xin to bo? Which fruit is known for its fuzzy brown skin and bright green flesh? Which fruit is known for its bright red color and is often associated with Christmas? What fruit is used to make the traditional Indian dessert, mango lassi? Which fruit is known for its vibrant purple skin and is commonly used in desserts and jams? What fruit is used to make the traditional French dessert, tarte tatin? Which fruit is known for its distinctively sour taste and is commonly used in Persian cuisine? What fruit is used to make the traditional Korean side dish, kimchi? Which fruit is known for its vibrant yellow color and is commonly used in Thai cuisine? Which one is used to make the traditional Chinese New Year dessert, nian gao? Which fruit is known for its tart flavor and is commonly used in pies and jams? What fruit is used to make the traditional Jamaican drink, sorrel? Which fruit is known for its crunchy texture and is often used in salads and slaws? Which one is used to make the traditional Turkish dessert, baklava? Which fruit is known for its fuzzy skin and juicy, sweet flesh? What fruit is used to make the traditional Spanish cold soup, gazpacho? Which fruit is known for its extremely sour taste and is often used in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine? Which one is used to make the traditional Japanese dessert, mochi? Which fruit is known for its vibrant orange color and is commonly used in Halloween decorations? What fruit is used to make the traditional Brazilian drink, caipirinha? Which fruit is known for its distinctive star shape and sweet, tropical flavor? What fruit is used to make the traditional Korean side dish, kimchi? Which fruit is known for its bright purple skin and is commonly used in Italian cuisine? What fruit is used to make the traditional Portuguese custard tart, pastel de nata? Which fruit is known for its rich, creamy texture and is often used in desserts and smoothies? What fruit is used to make the traditional Mexican salsa, pico de gallo?
For more exciting and challenging videos, subscribe iQuiz channel.